Ever faced a broken bolt that just won't budge? Don't worry today. I'll show you a quick and effective way to remove it using welding. Let's get started. First, gather your tools, a welder, a nut that fits over the broken bolt, safety gear, and a wire brush. Safety first, always wear your welding helmet and gloves. Start by cleaning the surface of the broken bolt. This ensures a strong weld and better results. Next, place the nut over the broken bolt and weld it securely. The heat from welding helps loosen the bolt, and the nut gives you something to grip. If the bolt is extremely tight, apply a penetrating oil like WD-40 around the threads before welding to help loosen it further. Use a nut made of the same material as the bolt for a stronger weld. If the bolt breaks again, repeat the process with a larger nut. This method is highly effective and often works when other techniques like extractors or drilling fail. Allow the weld to cool for a few seconds. This ensures the weld is strong but still hot enough to help loosen the bolt. Use a wrench or socket to turn the welded nut counterclockwise. The bolt should start to turn and come out as you apply steady pressure. Once the bolt is removed, clean the threads in the hole using a tap or thread chaser to prepare for a new bolt. And there you go, broken bolt removed. Remember, patience and precision are key. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY fixes. See you next time.